Hey everyone, I'm back. I have a lot of Payne's gray left, so I'm going to go ahead and do a flip and drag with it. I'm also going to use the iridescent white that we mixed up for the string, and I'm going to throw in some seamless pearl. That is a paint by Craftsmart. Absolutely beautiful paint. So my flip and drag will be the white and the green. And I know I have enough of this, so we're good. It's funny how you try something and it's like, well, that was easy, that was short and sweet. And other days you just struggle to try to make something out of something you poured or something you thought was going to come out great. You were all psyched up to do it and total fail. I have those days, just like everybody else. I'm just dipping my canvas in there so I won't have to worry about the edge. This is such a pretty color. I'm going to have to use this more often. Okay, get down there. There. Okay. So I'm going to use a 5-ounce cup. But I think you might want to go a little heavy on the paint because the white is going to sink into that gray. Okay, I think I'm ready now. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, let's see. So I want the iridescent on the top, so I'm going to start with that. I'm hoping there's not any yarn fuzzies in here that I'm going to have to pick out. And that's going to be it for paint. I've got paint all over me. Gotta love my baby wipes. Okay. So I think I want to fill the canvas up as much as possible because the background is so dark. So I'm going to give it a little swirl. And I did not spray my cup first because I have enough iridescent in there. And if it sticks in the cup, I really don't care. Of course, now we have to wait just a little bit longer for the paint to come down. I think that's probably the main reason that I like using the WD-40. It just moves much faster. This is just as bad as using black, let me tell you. I've already ewed my fingers and ugh. Okay. Let me release a little bit there. Oh, a lot came out there. I'm going back in. I need to go get me some Payne's gray. Got lots of canvas showing there. Move it around a little bit. I probably could have used even more white. This up here is not moving at all. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this to touch that edge. It's different. I don't want to monkey with it too much because it's gonna, the white is already starting to sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and start airbrushing. Let me give it a torch first. Because this is gonna be the same as with black. The colors are gonna get eaten up by the dark. Just pushing it out first. I have to go way back here to get some color. This will be interesting to see what this looks like when it's dry. Since I've never used it before, so I don't know. This is just another experiment. I don't know if it'll be a happy accident. Sorry, Bob Ross. I'm really hoping that this white on the edges will be that iridescent when it dries. So it'll be all shiny because my fingers are sparkling. Puppies are barking. There's nobody here. Nobody's here. Pull this down. Getting rid of the hooks. That is pretty. You got all kinds of colors in there. So if you're just joining me, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. You can leave a comment. We love comments. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. You can see dried paintings there, as well as upcoming news and events. And also check out my Etsy store. The shop name is Christina Welch Art. I'm working on putting links in, so I haven't got this far yet, but it may be there, I'm not sure. I'll give you a peek. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Just pretty. That hint of that sea mist pearl in there is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. So guys, thanks so much for watching. And stay tuned. We're going to be doing some more experiments. And I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.